To the Crusader Fortress. This is the hospitaler area, and we are at their dining room, which is it's one, if not the last building that they built here. Now, we actually saw that it looks like Europe in so many ways, but in Europe you can find so many Gothic style churches, which are like in Prague or even Rotterdam. They're such a big places, and they want to tell us that we are small compared to God. Then where came that style from? From here. The Crusader actually used a Romanesque style, which looks like a fortress, but they started to use other architecture style, like the Gothic style. They use a little bit of Arabic style. They mix it together into the future of the best European style. Most of the churches, ancient churches that you are visiting in Europe, will be a Gothic style. Then it started here in Jerusalem. But another thing that I want to tell you, that they used to eat in one big tables. They didn't speak like in Harry Potter, you said. They didn't speak, and someone used to read them from the Bible. But there's only one man who sat on a chair, and that was the master of the hospitalers, and they named that chair and that duty as the chairman. And in that case, now you know why the chairman, the face of the chairman actually came from. And they ate here beautifully. We usually think of monks that eat here like once a day, twice a day. To eat, it wasn't a problem. To find women, it was more difficult. Then here it is. It's beautiful, isn't it? You can see Jerusalem cross. That if you've been in Jerusalem, then you know that this is the symbol of being in Jerusalem. The main cross is symbolize Jerusalem. The others can symbolize whatever you want. The 4 wounds of Jesus, 4 evangelists, 4 books, whatever you want it is. But the main one, this is Jerusalem. Now what we are going to do now, because we are leaving the air condition, and we are going out for like 1 minute to see the